It's that time again. I'm lucky enough to partner with Vtoman, and I'm lucky enough to be sent the latest model to review and show it to you guys. But obviously, as always, because Vtoman are a great partner, I've managed to negotiate one to give away. And that's not all this time, so I'll talk about prizes in a sec. Pulled over at Holden Forest so that I can take you through the product. Thankfully it's not raining today, because this is such a beast of a product that I need to be outside with the product inside to even kind of get the full access to it. The product comes with charging cables for 12 volt and 3-pin plug, and it also has the input for solar charging, and it comes with more output than you can shake a stick at, with 12 volt, USB, USB-C and 3-pin. And this Vtoman 2200 also has the jump start capability. Right, now I've got it all out, I'm going to put it in so that I can use it over the next few days, and then I can actually give you a really genuine perspective on this machine. But I'm excited because it's more powerful than the last one, and now we're in the winter months, drying my hair with a hairdryer is obviously really important. So yeah, excited to use this one. It's going to keep me going through the next few months and through the winter. Well, I've got the perfect opportunity to test the Vtoman. Just paid for a shower in the Olympiad Leisure Centre in Chippenham. It's we're as dry as I would go. I'm really happy with that. I mean, I still haven't managed to style my hair like Jack did it, but I don't really know. What do I do? So we've gone from 58 to 53. So I'm happy with that. So this is like the third or fourth Vtoman I've had. And, you know, my priority is that I can charge my phone, that I can charge my laptop, and run my light at the back from it. Those are like my priorities, and charging any of the other bits and bobs that I need, which are a bit more ad hoc. The most powerful one I've had so far. So I'm trying to think of what I can do to like really challenge it. So decided to cook a roast. So just gonna get some of the components now required for a roast. Do you reckon you can cope with that? What veg? Got up a parsnip. Or two. To give it a fighting chance, so we're going to make sure it's 100% before we start. Okay, so cooking 1.1 kilo of lamb, half a leg of lamb in a air fryer takes about 45 to 55 minutes, so I think we're going to be fine. I'm going to prep all the veg, and then we're going to move over into Will's van to use his air fryer. This might open my world to cooking options in the van. Right, and that's the prep done. I'm boiling. Right, it's time to get over into Will's van. Oh, come on then. This is the setup. So we've got the Vtoman, which is on 100%. We've got the air fryer, and we've obviously got a gas for power boiling and doing some of the vegetables. All the vegetables are prepped, and we've got a joint of lamb. All right, so let's get cooking. Put this little bad boy in here. What goes in first then, Will? Let's get these spuds parboiled. So I've never used a air fryer, so this is all learning for me.
This is level 1 of the idiot test.
Shut your face.
No, I don't know how much power we've got here. We've got 100%. This is a juicy power bank, but we've also got half a leg of lamb to do.
Oh.
So kind of season that. Put that on there.
Oh my god. Already gone down by 1%.
Yeah, it will draw 1300 watts first of all, and then when it gets up to temperature, and then it will fluctuate between like 50 and 150 watts probably.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Putting the carrots in
No, they do not boil. These go in the roast with the potatoes.
Right, this is me admitting.
You and roast is not your strong point. How long do you think the roast potatoes are going to take? Will that require additional power to do this one as well?
I think it maxes out at 13. But we'll find out.
It's going down quite quickly.
So actually
we've gone down now to 32 watts. It's
we
not
can work out
consistently-
whether or not this is
27 hours at this. Yeah, this is the mathematician's.
So if this, so when this comes on, it says you've got 0.8 hours of cooking time, right? This says 37 minutes, which is less than 0.8 hours.
Yeah.
But we also want to try and do roast potatoes,
I
right?
reckon we might do this, you know.
It's a bit of a challenge.
I think we might be having a roast for dinner.
We might actually be having a roast. I mean, that is what we want.
That's the plan. Right, I think we need to get the parboils.
How long will they take?
Well, I think you said 25 minutes, didn't you? At 180. Oh, just tax wheels.
Almost.
Have you got something I can stir it with?
Yeah, this carrot.
No.
Bit of salt.
Can we see how the lamb's cooking?
Oh, hello.
Oh my God.
That actually looks like food.
Oh, it looks yummy.
Yeah.
It's a waiting game.
It's a waiting game.
If this works, this has to be like a regular Sunday. This has to be a regular Sunday treat. Roast. So I'm thinking we might just do this. I'm feeling quite anxious, but we've got 23 minutes on both sides. We're down to 65%, but this keeps dropping down. Now it's ready for full heat. Yeah, it's dropping down now, see? It's got 11 hours of that, and then it goes down. Will we do it? Right, meat. Oh my goodness. And we've still got 29%. So we have just added an extra 3 minutes onto the spuds. The lamb is looking incredible. We've still got 22% on the Vtoman.
We didn't have enough faith in this.
Oh no, we didn't. Oh my god, I'm literally salivating.
Look at the lamb. I'm seeing a nice bit of meat there.
Oh yeah. How many sprouts? Do you love sprouts?
Yeah, sprats.
Get them on.
Still 20% left. And that was the end of the monkey.
Let's get a little taster. Just one little taster on the corner. Oh my god.
There we go, look.
Beautiful.
Look at that cat
I
scrape.
think you can safely say that you can cook a roast in the Vtoman. Still got 13% left. Oh my god.
Who needs a proper kitchen?
We do, that was a nightmare.
You feeling more human now?
I can feel the anger leaving my body.
Oh wow.
It was worth the waiting and like nearly dying of starvation. Was it worth putting up with me grubby and grumpy? I was proper hungry. Oh my gosh, it's been amazing. I've just finished all the washing up from last night. That was blooming lovely. I'm not sure if I actually thought it was going to do it, but it did. It was incredible. And I promised to talk about prizes. So again, I'm going to run a competition. It's on my Instagram. I'm really sorry for those who don't have Instagram, but it's a nightmare to try and manage these competition things. So I have to keep it to one channel. So I'll upload the Instagram post in the next couple of days, and then the draw will take place on the 1st of December. And the prizes this time, there's quite a few. So we're going to have one of these Vtoman 2200 jump, or 2200 jump. That's the first prize. Second prize is going to be 2 of the Vtoman Flash Speed 300s. And then third prize, there's going to be 3 Vtoman sweatshirts up for grabs. So yeah, so keep your eye open for that. Thank you for watching this, and good luck on the competition.